We're in the Peugeot Allure 308 for this video, and we're just going to turn on console there in the middle. There we go. I'm going to show you how to connect your smartphone to the Peugeot system via Bluetooth. System for making calls, so we click, well, I'm clicking guess because this should just be a simple way to do it for now. And then we've got like discover and thing. I'm just going to skip that. Here we go. So you've got some settings and things on there. We've got a speaker icon down here. You've got a mirror screen and media, but as you can see, it doesn't seem to be a telephone one. That's not a problem. We go to the steering wheel and we click the telephone button, and look, connect device. So okay, while that's coming up, it says no visible. What you do on your phone is you pull down your top menu. Now I've got my Bluetooth on, and you can pull it down again and further on. This is on an Android Samsung phone, and then you would click that. If that icon isn't lit up, click it now, and then you can actually click that word to see the devices. Good old Peugeot system has spotted my phone, so I now select that. So while that's doing that, it has come up with a pair option for me to confirm on my phone, and then at the same time click confirm there. And then we get to confirm again. And then we've got a protection thing coming up, which is really cool, called Android Protection. So it says access to messages. So that's basically so it can display your messages that come up. It will no doubt ask, here we go, for contacts. So yes to all of those. And then we click start there. And that's all done. So I'm going to press the telephone call button on the steering wheel. And as you can see, it's gone into call mode. It's actually starting to try and call someone, which I don't want. So that's how easy it is to set up your Bluetooth. What I need to do now is to remove my phone. So let's say you've had a hire car and you wish to take your phone off. Here you can select Bluetooth and then delete